I have a really big announcement, and if you haven't heard about it, you're going to want to stick with me because I'm going to tell you all about it. But first things first. I have had the opportunity lately to start creating some of my own decoupage papers. My papers are all printed locally and they're on 8.5 by 11 rice papers. I have them on my website and in the shop. And this is just a very small sample of what I've got on my website now, and I'm creating more all the time because they're so fun. Feel like you've lost your way. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Now I'm going to tell you what's really been happening around Elsie Lane. Whenever I do a class in my little studio, I get people that see the pictures from all over the country that say they wish they could come take a class, but they're so far away. Would I ever consider doing an online class? And what I've decided to do is I'm gonna do a quarterly subscription box. Anyway, this is a box you're gonna get, right? You're gonna get a leather journal, Posh Chock stencil brush. But these stencil brushes are really good quality. They're really nice. It is a Stencil Girl stencil, and that's what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint the cover together. I'm also gonna send out a paintbrush for you because we're gonna do some detail work. Just have to love art and want to have a lot of fun. We are doing a collaboration with 5 other artists from all over the country, and we are so excited about this. We are calling it the Sisterhood of the Traveling Art Journal. We're collaborating with Lynne Brundage with L&J Good. Am I a terrible person because I wait for Rob to get home from his long trips to fill my gas tank when it's cold? I'm really trying to make my gas last until he gets here. Lynne owns a shop in Medina, New York that specializes in vintage, handmade, and creatively upcycled items. Lynne is well known for her expertise and passion for inspiring others through workshops, DIY tutorials, and community events. Okay, now don't be jealous, but I got to meet Lynne and Megan when I was in Wisconsin teaching at Sonnet's Garden Bloom's Creative Soul Makers Retreat. That was so much fun. That's it. She is going to do a video on YouTube, and she's going to do a tutorial on painting a couple pages inside the book. Then Lynne, when she's done with it, is going to send it to Debi Beard. Debi Beard is the owner of DIY Paint. Debi is the vibrant personality behind her popular YouTube channel. As the founder of DIY Paint, she shares inspiring tutorials on furniture painting, home decor, and crafting, encouraging viewers to embrace their creativity and transform everyday items into artistic treasures. I got to become friends with Debi and meet her in person down in California, and she is a doll. I just love her. After Debi gets it, she's going to be sending it to Royce Hunt Bell. Royce is the creative force behind Roycycled Treasures, a premier decoupage paper line. Her designs blend vintage charm with modern artistry, offering unique, high-quality papers that inspire crafters and furniture artists to create stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. Royce will then send our journal to Treasure Simeone, owner of Made with Love. Treasure is a passionate creator known for her handmade treasures and artistic flair. She recently launched her YouTube channel where she shares DIY tutorials, creative inspiration, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of her crafting journey, encouraging others to create with love and imagination. I had the honor of meeting Treasure when I was in Wisconsin, and we became immediate friends. And let me tell you, her name totally fits her. Good job, Treasures parents, on the name choice. Last but definitely not least, Connie Hemmer of The Painted Photographer and Connie's Lines and Designs is an artist and designer known for her original artwork, decoupage paper line, and she inspires creatives with her unique designs and passion for original art. I also got to meet Connie when I was in Wisconsin, and I just love her. She's so great, and she is such a good teacher, and you're really going to love her too. Then when Connie is finished with the book, she's going to send it back to me, and then we're going to raffle it off. Go check out my website at elsielaneartgarage.com. I'll put the link down below in the description box. You're going to love it. I think you're going to love it because I love it, and it's going to be good. I just wanted to show you this little project that I did with one of my own designs of decoupage papers. This one is called Light Bulb Moment, and it has Edison bulbs, books, peacocks, flowers, chains, some other things, little cogs on it. I couldn't stop. Anyway, yeah, they're so amazing. And this is printed on rice paper, and they are so easy to use.
You know I don't lie, I really miss you now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love.
First, you just lay down some varnish over your substrate. I typically will paint my substrate white first, but this was such a light color of wood that I didn't feel like I really needed to do that. So I put just a couple coats of varnish down. Here I am using Mermaid Tail and Hey Sailor.
Cause I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize.
These paints are Debi's Design Diary DIY paints. They're clay-based paints, and they're really good for blending. I love using Debi's paints to blend with. This color is called Queen Bee. I painted the frame in Little Black Dress, which is DIY's Darkest Black. And then I'm putting some molds on the frame. This is one of the gallery blanks from IOD. I carry them on my website. They're really cool. I don't have these particular molds. I borrowed one of my friend's molds and cast some of them just so I could have some hinges and light bulbs and cogs. But I don't carry these. But I do carry Invitation Only, which is this cute bulldog, and it has 4 animals on it, and I love that one. You could see that I already did some super shifters on him. I was going to use him on a different project, but I thought that he'd be really cool on this one. By the way, he is an IOD mold, and I have everything in my shop and on my website. If you're looking for IOD, it is pretty amazing. Now I'm just going to finish this off with some Miss Lillian's their Super Shifter Jewels, which is a shifting wax, and it was created by Tanglewood Sue. These are really cool because when you look at them one way, they are one color, and then you look at them another way and they shine a different color.
And heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. saw the angels coming down, and they sang a song, they sang it loud.
I really hope that you will join us for the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal and sign up on my website. And if you're looking for any of these decoupage papers or any of these other products that I used, they are on my website too, or stop by my shop in Spokane Valley at 100 North Houck Road and leave me a question. You have comments, whatever, leave them down below and I will answer you as soon as I see them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Down in the description box below, I'm going to leave some more detail about my subscription box, as well as the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal project that we're doing, what you get in the box, everything that you need to know.
Do another scrape for the left, and then leave a thumbs up.